Hello, my name is Angus Kelly. I'm the Executive Director of Irish Rule of Law International, IRLI. Irish Rule of Law International is the overseas legal arm of the legal professions from the island of Ireland. So we represent the Bar of Ireland, the Law Society of Ireland, the Bar of Northern Ireland and the Law Society of Northern Ireland. And we do a lot of work in the rule of law sphere overseas. So we have ongoing projects in South Africa and Malawi and Tanzania and Zambia. And we also do we're starting to do work on transitional justice in East Africa, and we'll also do pro bono connecting work for NGOs in East Africa and in Southeast Asia. And then we also work with Afghan female judges who have moved to Ireland after leaving Afghanistan under pain of death following the takeover by the Taliban regime. I suppose that's up to people from Morocco and other countries in the Maghreb to decide. Our modus operandi is to, we come at the invitation of the actors in those countries. So we come very much with open arms and saying that we don't know everything, and we certainly don't know the context of every country we work in, as well as the people who live there and who work there and who are from there. But what we can offer is to help those countries in areas where they think that they need assistance. And this assistance is never a one-way street. It's always done in a cooperative spirit of mutual learning, so that we look at situations and present our expertise and knowledge from our work in many other jurisdictions and from our own experience in Ireland, which has had a very troubled history over many years. And has two jurisdictions on it, one in the UK and one a republic that's in the EU. So we have a lot of varied experiences across the legal professions, the policing agencies and the judiciaries from the island of Ireland. So our projects are different in every country. They're bespoke. They're tailored towards the jurisdiction we're working in and put together in conjunction with our local partners from those countries. So we do a lot of work on access to justice. In Malawi, we work with the various state agencies there, with the Director of Public Prosecutions, with the judiciary, with the police service, with the Legal Aid Board, and with the child diversion services, taking children out of the criminal justice system to work against recidivism and to get them into education or employment. Then we do a lot of work on gender-based violence in Tanzania with state actors there, again with the judiciary and the police in particular. In Zambia, we work looking at unrepresented accused with our local partners, and we're engaging with a lot of Zambian actors into looking at new projects in a number of areas in Zambia. In South Africa, we work with the Law Society of South Africa on commercial training for lawyers from historically disadvantaged backgrounds. And then our Afghan judges are obviously present in Ireland, and that's a conglomerate of ourselves and the Law and Bar Society in Ireland, and the Judges Association in Ireland, and the International Women Judges Association. And then the work we do with the future work we do in transitional justice will be with our utilising the experiences in particular of Northern Ireland during and after the conflict there, and we're working with local NGOs in East Africa in that regard. And then the work we do in Southeast Asia is mainly focusing on pro bono research, where we utilise the skills of Irish lawyers who are willing to undertake research for NGOs and actors working in Southeast Asia in a whole host of human rights related matters. So I think all of those are possible to be mirrored in Morocco, in the Maghreb, and I would look forward to that possibility. And I think that's up to the people and the governments in Morocco and the Maghreb countries to decide if they think that might be useful, and if so, then we'd be always open to interacting and discussing those issues with them.